All right, my amigos, and welcome to Homophones, where we look at words that may or may not sound the same. I'm going to ask you to be the judge. I'm going to ask you to make the call. To make the call, sí, es hacer la llamada, but also to make the call es decidir, juzgar. So I want you to be like a referee. Eso es de donde sale, right? Un árbitro. A referee calls it. Foul, falta, goal, right? To call it. So if I say it's your call, it's your decision. See, we learn English from the arts, we learn English from sport, and from everything all around us. All right, let's take a look at today's words. This is a word I'm sure many of you are familiar with, our first one. This is this thing that is very popular now that flies, but with a remote control. You have a remote control and the thing flies. Usually there's a camera attached and a gimbal. A gimbal is the thing that makes it so it's not shaky video, right? And usually there are propellers on it. Propellers in Spanish are hélices. I think you say un dron, but the word in English, además de ese objeto, zzz, también es un zángano. That's right. Think about that. It makes sense, right? What does it look like? Zzz. It looks like a zángano. Okay, so how do you say that word in English? I know you know how to say it in Spanish, dron, but is that how you pronounce it in English? I'm asking you. Okay, and the second word is ahogarse. Ahogarse. Now, not atragantarse, because that's to choke. Ese ahogarse is, if you don't chew your food, you will choke, right? You will choke on something. But it's not choke. Pero también es ahogarse, atragantarse. Yo digo más en el agua. Do you know how to say this one? Drown. Drown. Have you heard it before? I hope he doesn't drown because the water is very choppy. Revuelto. It's very, very choppy. It's not still water. So I hope he doesn't drown. So now, does the word drown, ahogarse, sound like zángano o dron? Well, the first word, pronunciado en inglés, drone. Drone. No drone, like you say, un poco diferente, right? Drone. So, vamos a decir, el zángano se va a ahogar. The drone is going to drown. Are they homophones? Absolutely not.